iSTAR stands for Infrastructure Testing and Applied Research, and that's effectively what we do here. Is we investigate structural systems and components, subject them to various loads, and study how they perform. Oregon Best has helped improve the lab by providing us with equipment that lets us test structural components at fairly large scales. This is important because a lot of the work that we do here has to do with extreme loads, and extreme loads that happen fairly quickly. So what this means is that we can test structural components under earthquake loading or impact loading.
One of the things that I think that is unique here in this laboratory is that we have a shake table. And only few universities in the US have this privilege. In addition to that, we have a frame. We can disassemble it and move it around the strong floor. And this will help us to build different types of assemblies. And also, at the same time, we can test different structures. So here in our lab, we test different types of materials, such as steel, concrete, aluminum, and green building materials. In addition to that, we could test different types of materials that industry partners wanted to test here in our lab.
One of the things that the iSTAR lab focuses on is looking at the performance of sustainable components in our infrastructure. We've looked at structural materials that were made out of recycled materials, such as recycled wood or recycled concrete, and looking at what the mechanical properties of these materials are so that we can actually go and design them. So the iSTAR lab can help a number of companies to do things like prototype testing, where they have an idea or a new product line. Before they go out and do a full-blown industry qualification testing, we can come in and help them evaluate that product and help them improve that product through the knowledge gained either through the testing or the knowledge that we have in terms of how structural components perform.